In Java programming language, today we are going to talk about file handling, and in file handling specifically we are going to make a program in which we will learn how we can write or we can make a file of characters. So we will take the input from the user, or rather we will declare a sentence in our program, and we'll take one character at a time and we'll print it in certain text file. Okay, let's get started. Make a new project in Java by NetBeans IDE and select Java application. Say next. You can name it as per your convenience. Say write file. This is my name. Create main class. Finish. For proceeding, there are certain importing to be done. Like we have to import java.io.printvr for printing, means printing to the file, and then file writer, because we are going to deal with file. You know, keyboard is also a file, display is also a file, so we are going to specifically talk about file, that is text file. And since we are dealing with file handling, we have to have a input output exception also, like this, in this manner, java.io.io exception. And what we have to do first of all in file handling, we have to give throws IO exception. This is because file handling involves many difficulties, many problems, many IO exception. For example, this is not actually programming aspect. This is the problem which we generally encounter, that the file may not exist, file may exist, it may be corrupt, or file may exist where read-only privilege is there. Then certain media the file is existing and user plugs in or plugs out it abruptly. So to deal with all this, Java has decided that it needs to have IO exception and the user have to employ it. And rather, it is always advisable to write statement inside try catch. We are not writing it, but it is always advisable, you should follow it. So let's make a file. Let's name it as file.txt. So we'll make a string fname file name as file.txt. This file is not made. This is not there. Let me show you first. We have just made this project and there is no file as such. But this file will be created as we execute or run this program. And in this file we are going to write something. What we are going to write? We are going to write, let's again have a string, and we are going to write certain characters that will be taken from this. I am learning Java file handling. So when this program will be executed, you will see that I, then space, A, M, all will be shown in that particular file, one by one, character by character. So let's get started. This line is very important. We have to make an object of printWriter class, and then we have to pass the file name into FileWriter via this line. So we have made a OP file. This is the object of printWriter, and in this we have passed new FileWriter as the function, or you can say when we instantiate, you're passing it to the constructor, and this name, the file name, fname, is file.txt. So since we are going to deal with a number of characters, we have to employ a for loop, and this for loop we start with int I equal to 0, we go up to line.length, we take line length from this, and plus I, like this, I equal to 0, I less than line.length, and plus I, and inside this we are going to write what? This is OP file dot write, and dot write, and then line dot character at I, like this. We have to take each and every character from here, and then we have to write it where? Into this file which we are talking about. So this is the file in which we are going to write, and this is the line from where we are taking every character, each and every character, and I'm just placing a /n. This is just to show that each character has been written. This has nothing to do with the program as such, but this is just for the sake of viewing for the viewer. And once you are done, you can close OP file. This is very important. As a good programmer, always open a file, always close a file before you end the program. This is most desirable. And let me execute it for you. As I indicated earlier that there is no file called file.txt. I execute it, and when I run, there is no result since the result is here. The result is here, file.txt, and if I show you the result, you'll see I am all character by character. Okay, see, I am learning Java file handling. So this is there. So this was the idea of this program. Hope you understood it. Thank you so much. Take care.